Join us on a journey through American expansion and its profound impact on Native Americans in our historical video series. We offer a comprehensive analysis of the events that shaped the United States of America, from the earliest European explorations to the tragic Trail of Tears. Join us to understand how the lives of Native Americans were altered and how this era left its mark on American history. American expansion and its impact on Native Americans. At the dawn of the United States of America's history, the lands we know today were a collection of European colonies competing for control and influence. Over time, these colonies began to unite and form what would later become the United States of America. With the Declaration of Independence in 1776, a new nation was born, with a vision for expansion and growth. European explorations. The story began with Christopher Columbus's arrival in the New World in 1492, which opened the door to a wave of European exploration. This period was filled with challenges and opportunities as explorers began to map the new lands and establish contacts with the Native Americans. Establishment of the colonies. With the founding of the first colonies, such as Jamestown in Virginia and Plymouth in Massachusetts, American life began to take shape. These colonies heavily relied on agriculture and trade, and had varying impacts on Native Americans, from trade and alliances to conflicts and diseases. The American Revolution taxes and laws imposed by Britain led to growing discontent among the colonists, leading to the American Revolution. This war was pivotal in determining the nation's future, resulting in the establishment of the United States and the drafting of its Constitution. Westward expansion. After the Revolution, the United States began to expand westward, known as Manifest Destiny. The Louisiana Purchase in 1803 was a turning point, doubling the country's size. This was followed by wars with Mexico, which led to the annexation of Texas, California, and other territories. Impact of expansion on Native Americans. American expansion had a devastating impact on Native Americans. They were forced to relinquish their lands and were moved to reservations in a process of forced removal. The Trail of Tears in the 1830s was a stark example of the suffering faced by Native Americans. This period of American history is rich with events and major transformations that shaped the United States as we know it today. By exploring these events, we can understand the factors that led to the current situation of Native Americans and reflect on the lessons learned from history.